Okay, my dumplings. Now, sometimes the problem is not going to be that easy. Let's say it's 1 1/3 plus 5/8. Okay, just making these fractions up. Now, before I find the common denominator, come over here and find my least common multiple of 3 and 8. I've got to do something. What do I do first? Got to change this one into an improper fraction, okay? So how do I do that? Well, the way I do it is like this. First, I multiply these two. What do I get? 3 plus this one up here. What do I get? 4/3. Now I've got to do 4/3 plus 5/8. Okay, so once I get to this point, that's when I can come over here and find my least common multiple. Okay, so 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 8, yes, 18, 21, 24, 27. Okay, and then we do 8. 8, 16, 24, 32. Oh, I see it. Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? You do? Awesome. What is it? Tell me. That's right. It's 24. So now I come over here and I make my arrows down. And of course, let me move my face here. Because this is addition, it's going to be addition down here. And what will my common denominator be? 24. Right, 24. Both of those are 24. Now I've got to come up and I've got to figure out what am I multiplying this side by to get 24. Remember, I'm doing this one. And it is what? Times what? Times 8. What's this one going to be? Times what? 8 times what is 24? Times 3. Am I only multiplying the denominators? No, I have to multiply the numerators too. So I've already done 8 times 3 is 24. What's going to go here in this space? 4 times 8, which is what? 32. And what am I going to multiply over here? I already did 8 times 3 is 24, so now I do 5 times 3 is 15. Now I add them together. What's my denominator going to be? It's going to stay the same because addition and subtraction is like tic-tac-toe, 3 in a row. They have to be exactly the same. And 32 plus 15 is, let me fix this while you figure out what 32 plus 15 is. 47. Now, I could leave it like this, but the answer, if it's multiple choice, may be in mixed number form, which means that you are going to have to convert this back to a mixed number. All right, so we did this test the other day, and you guys struggled. But we're going to give it back right now, and you're going to do some problems to practice this. And since you have your note page, you can use your note page in your notebook to fill it out. So you're going to do, are you ready? You're going to do number 5, number 6, number 8, 10, and 11. That's 5, 6, 8, 10, and 11. Okay, so all of those you know now are either adding or subtracting. Okay, go do that. Use your notes. Take your time. Be well.